Hi guys, it's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video guys, we'll be looking at the major coins, Cardano, Zilliqa, Vechain, Chainlink and the major coins, and I'll be sharing with you buying the dip and trade setups. Most people want to buy big pumps. They want to buy Bitcoin at 50k, Ethereum at 2000, but when things are breaking out back, 1500, they don't want to buy it then. And you should check my YouTube channel as well. Back in the day when things were breaking out, things were right at the top, I used to get a lot more views. Then now I've got 11k, 13k, 5k views. Now things are quiet, people are not buying, and if you keep on doing that guys, you're not going to make money. You want to buy the dips when things are down and sell when things are up. If you do the opposite, FOMO in, you're going to be like the 90% of the other people that actually lose money in trading. So guys, let's start getting into the video. So Bitcoin guys had that dip guys, and there was a Biden news about tax change, and that's obviously had an impact. For now guys, this is an altcoin video. As long as Bitcoin is holding above 48 50k level, I think this will be a good weekend for altcoins. If Bitcoin starts breaking down guys, I'll be very careful with altcoins. So the really important level to look at if you are looking to buy some of the setups I'm going to share, I'll be sharing with you a setup in the group as well that we've taken. In the Rockstar Trading group, I share exactly which coins are breaking out, which coins I'm looking to buy. In the YouTube channel, I share the levels I'm looking to buy. So if you're Bitcoin, that's what I'll be looking at. I'm really focused on Ethereum, and if you watch my previous video, I highly recommend you go watch my altcoin season video. I talked about Dogecoin and some of the trade setups I shared, and I did share the Ethereum trade setup. It's not after the fact. In the YouTube channel, I shared them. I was going to look to buy this dip. In the Rockstar Trading group, I posted exactly when it was pulling back this level I'm looking to buy. Then it had a really nice pump. I posted exactly when I took profit as well. It was a really nice trade. I took half off here, but it pumped about 10% from there. Is dip now. What I'm looking for Ethereum now is Ethereum to stay above 1900. If Ethereum stays above 1900, Bitcoin stays above 48 to 50k, buy altcoins. It will be an amazing time. I'll talk about all the major coins now. Cardano guys is still consolidating on a high time frame. I'm not really that interested in buying Cardano. For me to buy Cardano guys, if Cardano starts breaking back above 150 guys, I'm gonna look to jump into Cardano. If not guys, I'll wait. You've made me, you've seen me trade Cardano live on the YouTube channel. I posted exactly when I was buying, selling, my targets. Cardano, Theta, two coins that I traded live on YouTube, and recently BTT. Again, if you are interested in the Rockstar Trading group, I'll leave the links below. In the Rockstar Trading group, I can post exactly when I'm getting in, getting out my targets, stop losses, and all that good stuff. I'll leave the links below if you're interested. I also shared a news trade setup. I'll share that with you as well at the end of the video. But for now, guys, I'm not that interested in Cardano. I'll post again when I'm interested. But I'll probably be looking for Cardano to get back above there. It had a nice move up. There's news for Cardano later on in the year, so I think Cardano moves really nicely with news, and I've timed Cardano really well from back in last year, so I'll be looking to trade Cardano again. Vechain has been the most bullish one recently. And that's probably the one of the coins I'll be looking to get in. If Vechain starts getting back above 450, I'll look to buy. I sold a lot of Vechain because it was its all-time highs in Vechain. Guys, if Vechain starts breaking out above 450, I think Vechain will really rally. I'm surprised to see this much strength in Vechain. My main trade in Vechain was from 100 sats. This is not after the fact. Please go watch the videos, learn the trading strategies. It's really important to have a strategy, guys. My thesis for this trade was that Cardano and Zilliqa had already pumped. Vechain hadn't pumped, so I was looking to play this breakout, and this was my main target where I took most of my trade off. For now, guys, I'm not in the Vechain trade. I didn't buy the Vechain dip. I'll talk about Chainlink and Dot. Those are the 2 points I look to get in on the dip. I'll look for Vechain to get back above 450 to jump back into Vechain. Vechain is looking good. It's been the most bullish coin. Fundamentally, I really like Vechain. Check my recent videos out in Vechain. I've made a lot of Vechain videos as it's been going up. Made a staking video as well. So Vechain is looking nice, guys. So Vechain above 30 cent and above that Vechain BTC level. Pump Vechain, I'd really like Vechain. Zilliqa, I've not got too much to say. It's just been consolidating. Like I said, I'm updating all the major coins. Zilliqa's just been consolidating. I would like Zilliqa above 360. I've got an alert set. I'll post you guys when it happens, but it's been very choppy and consolidating. I think once it broke 360, I thought it was going to head towards 500. I still think that, but I want to see it happen, and then I'll jump back in again. It's been a bit choppy there. If you watch the last Zilliqa trade, our trade was here, the 4-hour pullback, and make sure you have a strategy, whether you follow hours or have your own strategy. If you just trade and gamble, you're not going to make money, guys. There's a special offer for you guys to check out if you're interested, but please make sure you have a strategy. If you follow mine or someone else's, like the Ethereum trade that I shared now, if you hadn't taken profit in the Ethereum trade, you could have had an amazing entry, but you'll be down now. You'll be down about a couple of percent, but that's why you take profit, buy back, and learn to trading. And it takes time. Don't expect to just join the group and make money. If altcoins just goes up, everyone makes money. It's very easy to trade, but when it's a bit choppy, you need a bit more experience. I'm going to quickly talk about XRP as well. XRP is having that $1 dip. As long as XRP is above $1, that was a trade setup I talked about. I'm bullish on XRP. I did buy some XRP back here when it was breaking. Now again, it's not a coin that I trade as much, and fundamentally there's other coins that I prefer. But XRP is one of the biggest coins, and as long as it's holding above $1, starts trend changing here, I'd look to jump in. This is a nice dip in XRP. The coin that I do really like is Chainlink, guys. I talked about Chainlink. As long as Chainlink is above 60,000, I'm bullish on Chainlink. That's the dip that I bought as well in Chainlink. Make sure you get into a dip. Some people in my group took the dot dip. Dot dip was nice as well, but for me, Chainlink was my favorite dip. Especially that Chainlink hasn't pumped. This was the dip buy level at $30. Again, I bought some more Chainlink here, and I bought some more. As long as Link BTC is in an uptrend, I'm happy to hold this trade. And Link hasn't pumped. Again, I'm talking about this. I talked about Vechain at 100 sats. I quite like Link. Finally, let's talk about Dot. Dot gave a really nice dip. It's already pumped a few percent from that dip zone. This was the dip buying opportunity. I think that my first target would be about 30, 32. Slightly, it was already moved about 15%. And if you look at some of the coins, Vechain, someone else bought the Vechain dip in the group. It's already pumped 50% since dipping. So if you're at your desk at this time, you could make amazing, life-changing sort of money. 50% bumps is an amazing trade, and if this is the bottom, if it starts pumping, this could be a significant amount of money. So it's already pumped that much. I'm looking at Dot now. So, and the important thing is, if you just buy the dip and not trade anything, that's not how it works. So Dot, if you do buy this dip, and please, again, it's not financial advice, make sure you have a strategy. The guys in the group and I always share a strategy. If Dot starts breaking below $20, I'm going to exit this dip. Again, I'll look to take half off, and then hopefully if it starts trend changing above 40 and all that good stuff like this trade, I'll look to buy again. But as long as Dot's holding this, it's still looking good. We're in a bull market. Like I said, I'll end it on Bitcoin, guys. People make jokes about my crazy price predictions, but when things are pumping, guys, we could literally go parabolic. And you've seen Dogecoin, like a meme coin, pump this much, and some of the coins with real life use cases, they could pump a lot harder. If Dogecoin can pump, these can pump a lot. But just looking at this high time frame chart, Bitcoin has not had a single monthly red candle since back last year September time. So it's due a pullback. Previously in bull markets, we've had big dips, and that's why I say buy the dip. And I'm happy. I could be wrong and it could dump, but the risk to reward wise, I could make this amount of money, so I'm happy to risk some and always have exit strategies. And this video, if you don't have a strategy, watch the levels that I shared and then use your strategy to get in and out. And if you are interested in learning our strategy, I'll leave the links below. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, guys, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below your favorite altcoin buy the dip. And are you buying the dip? Do you think you're going to buy the dip, or you're going to wait for it to fall more in that, right, if it carries on pumping? And comment below your favorite coins dip that you want to buy. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. If you have enjoyed it, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.